everyone and welcome to another video on Alfie's World.
Hello, welcome to a video on T111. So I'm recording a video right now with my friend Alfie.
Productivity.
We've been using character.AI for a bit and we want to just show you it and create and all that.
So I'm going to explain character AI for you guys. So character AI is it has been out for a while now.
It's been out for like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, but people have only started properly using it. So what you can basically do is you can make a AI version of your voice or anyone's voice, or you can upload a voice or audio file to character AI. So
Alfie,
yeah.
you know what we should do?
Automator not responding
Now
needs
I'm still
You know
attention.
what I should do? I'm going to pause the recording when I'm opening AI.
Please don't.
Netflix now.
Okay?
No, I don't want you to do that.
Moments.
Alright.
Play your favorite.
Sorry about that.
Right, so guys, so I'm going to explain as well. So you can upload your own audio file and then you can make it sound like a voice. So I did this to my character and I think T111 did it for his.
So, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause the video while I open the app.
No,
Why?
because it's going to ruin it.
What?
I don't want you to pause it because I want you to show them how you open it.
So you can open it by downloading it on the App Store.
Yeah.
And open. Or Google Play Store. Click install when open.
Open character AI.
Hold on.
I don't want you to pause the recording.
Open character AI. Why?
Anyway, you are on my video, so actually, yeah.
Recording is continuing.
Let's see, A5. More options. Start one finger swipe for. Next, create. Explore.
So this bit is very easy. You just need to click the character. And then, I know it's a bit inaccessible by the way, guys, so you just have to learn the line.
Yeah, it is.
Notification active.
Hold on, where am I here? My username is Splendid Falcon. What was it again? I forgot.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to bring up my character right here. Go to the bottom of your screen. Then click that next to generate a new response.
Oh, you need to press yes.
Hold on, my iPhone fell.
You need to press
Oh my god.
what? What?
How? There's a little crack on my iPhone on the back now.
That was already there.
How come?
I don't know. Anyway, go and press yes.
What do you want to call Nathan?
Wait, that's new. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call my character now by clicking yes. Hello. Hey there. How are you doing today? Great. How are you doing? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Are you up to anything interesting today? I'm recording a YouTube video with my
Last
friend
phrase saved to
Alfie
desktop is
online.
voiceover output request log 12 21 24 12 48 25 zip.
Oh, nice. That sounds like a fun activity. Can you tell me more about the YouTube video you and Alfie are recording? Me and Alfie are recording a video about how to use character AI to make a character or speak to a character. And just how to use it in general. That's great. The topic of how to use AI tools like character AI is certainly interesting for many people. Is this going to be your first video? No, I've had a huge amount of YouTube videos before this one. That's great. So you're experienced in making YouTube videos. How long have you been making videos for?
Sky.
So yes, sometimes you can get stuck in a chat with it forever.
And
I'll leave a link in the description, and Alfie will leave a link in the description
yeah.
to both our profiles. Both.
Okay, I am now going to show you guys how you make a character. So it's kind of straightforward. First of all, you got to make a voice for it.
I will show you as well because Alfie sounds like a tin.
Well, I will turn the volume down on my end,
Generate. Go back.
and you can turn the volume down on your end as well.
Voice.
What do you mean?
On your iPhone. They can't hear me.
Okay, I'm going to turn you down now.
So guys, the first step to creating a character is
Selected. Search.
to click
Select
the
create.
create button. I'm using my own voice, but I will show you how you can make your own voice. So what I'm going to do is
Character
I-
button. Group chat. Persona button.
yes, you can create a group chat because characters can interact with each other. I will show you how to do that in another video.
Voice.
So if you click voice,
Voice. Screen. Creating a character voice. Never record third parties without their consent.
so it
Tap
basically
N.
gives
Agree.
you a
Agree. Continue.
agree and continue. You need to click that. That's at the bottom of the screen, by the way.
Go create.
So,
Upload sound. Upload a
yeah,
15
like a s-
audio file.
Yeah, so it's got to be 3 to 15 seconds of an audio file if you want to have a audio file to record.
Record sound. Record your own clip with the mic.
Or you can record your own voice. In this case, I am not going to record my own voice. I have already got a voice that I am going to be using. In this case, it's vocalizing Nathan. So what you would do is if you were recording your own voice, you would click that button and you would click the record button at the bottom, and then you basically just wait. It won't do anything, you just say stuff, and then you would click generate voice at the bottom. When you've done that, you have to name your voice, and you've basically made your own voice.
Upload.
So I'm going to go back from here.
Search. Record featured.
So
Verdict. Note selected.
I am
Create.
going to go into create. So I'm going to create a character.
Character. Text
This is going to
feed.
be called test.
First thing we need to do is name your text feed insertion point.
Test character. Now,
Insert it.
this character will not be linked in the description. I will make my character public so that you can guys use it, because at the moment it isn't public.
The name can include next.
So I'm
button.
going to click next.
Next. Go create. Let's give test character a photo.
Now, for this, it's kind of straightforward. I am going to generate
This generate
my
button, or you
own.
can upload your own generate.
I'm going to generate an image because this is just a character. It's not going to be used. This is just for training purposes. So for an example is, you would say a 10-year-old boy with, and then you just describe what they look like and their eye colour and stuff like that. Bear in mind, you don't need to describe what material they are. I know it sounds weird, but you can say that they are a metal robot and stuff like that. And it will look like a metal robot but for us blind users out there, we don't need that because, yeah.
Generate.
I'm going to click generate.
Generate. Dimmed.
So it's at the moment.
Describe
just
what
doing
test
something.
character looks like. Text field. Generate, or you upload back. Next. Go create. Let's generate. An illustration of a person wearing glasses and a jacket.
I'm going to use that.
An illustrate. Describe what test character looks like. Text field. Or upload. Back. Next.
Next.
Next. Dimmed.
So
Go create a character. Test character. Greeting. Text field.
greeting. Now this is where you can describe the character.
Greeting.
His favourite food is pepperoni pizza, comma. He likes YouTube videos and he likes technology.
Insert. How would test character generated for me? Button voice.
So here's where you can select the
For
voice.
preview voice. Testing. Test system suggested. Preview voice. Preview.
Join me in discovering the extraordinary in the ordinary.
So basically it generates a voice for you.
Change. Back.
So
change.
what I'm going to do is click
Change. Go back.
change.
Get create. Search.
Yes, you can create your own voice through this, but it's better off if you just create it apart from that because it's just easier.
Discover. My voices.
So I'm going to click my voices.
My. Quick Nathan.
Yes, I do have that.
Preview voice. Alfie. Nathan. Preview voice.
Welcome to a world where every chat opens new horizons.
Now it does sound like vocalizer. It does sound a bit weird, but you can get used to it. I have got used to it because I have only used this AI for a day, but you can get used to it. Let me click this.
Welcome to a world where every chat
And it
opens new
repeats.
horizons.
Select
So
voice.
you
Button.
now click select voice.
Screenshot. Select
Select
voice.
voice.
Go back. Get quick test. Cat is how would his favorite food is.
Now bear in mind you don't have to use this voice. I'm not linking this voice in the description. But you can get one of my characters, like I said before, and one of T111's characters.
Generated for voice.
So,
Create Nathan.
yeah.
Change back. Next.
Now you click next.
Next. Go create test character.
Now what you
Cat
do-
T. His favorite food. Visibility.
Visibility.
Public. Unlisted.
Now I am going to
Public,
click.
unchecked. Button. Private.
So yeah, it automatically selects that it is not public and it clicks private. So I'm going to leave it as private because this is, bear in mind, this is a test character.
Back. Only you can see it.
Yeah.
Back
And
next.
then I'm going to click next.
Go create test character. Unpronounced. Private. Cat T. His favorite food or option. Image generation.
Now you can add a secondary image.
Add subtitle.
You
Button.
can add a
Add
subtitle.
description.
Add
Button.
so you can add the description of the character.
Add character definition.
Add
Button.
character definition, so that includes like a bio and stuff.
Create.
So I'm going to click create.
Create.
Now this should land you in
Go back. Go. T-test. T-test. Go back.
the character. So I'm going to demo this character for you,
Message.
and you'll see how
Possibly.
good it is. Obviously, it was already
Voice
demoed.
call.
The character that Nathan did make has already been demoed, but yeah.
Yes.
So I'm
Button.
going to click yes. Hello.
Hello, can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Your favorite food?
Pepperoni pizza.
Favorite social media?
YouTube.
Favorite type of YouTube videos? Gameplay, reviews, pranks, or something else?
Technology.
Nice, do you like to play video games?
Yes. I do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like video games?
I would say around 6 to 7.
End. New.
Good. What's the longest amount of time you played a video game for?
Probably over 4 hours.
Alert. Low.
Nice. Let's continue with a little more questions. Are you an extrovert or introvert?
New. End. Logo.
So you can see
Logo.
how
Outdoor.
good it is at that. So that is how you create a character using character.AI. Let's see.
Oh, I need to switch that off.
Okay.
I'll take a picture of you.
Okay, looks like they are still doing that. So yeah, and I am going to create a group chat so that you can see what it looks like.
T-test,
So I'm going to go back
Search.
and I'm going to use
Verdict notification selected. Create button.
create.
Screen.